Fresh filters, obsessively engineered to provide you with clean water. Use this installation video along with your replacement manual to change your A.O. Smith Main Faucet filter replacement. Replacing your filter is easy. Read the replacement manual in its entirety for all warnings and details on special circumstances. Let's begin. Grab a towel to catch any water that may come from your system during the replacement process. First, turn off your water supply. Remove the old cartridge from the manifold. You can discard the old cartridge. With your new cartridge in hand, ensure all your connection points are aligned and attach it to the manifold. Turn on your water supply to build pressure in your new filter and check for leaks. Turn on your kitchen faucet and allow the water to flow through for at least 10 minutes. Just like that, you're done. Time to once again enjoy clean, filtered water.